Lemon water has been my go-to first thing in the morning ever since I started my Hashimoto's journey. And I've been pretty regular, but for the pandemic. My morning routine has changed quite a bit, and I am trying to bring this habit back into my day. So it's been an hour and now I'm ready for breakfast. So today I'm going to be having some labneh I picked up at my local Mediterranean store. I just have such fond memories of having this. It's like a Greek yogurt, a really thick consistency, and I started having this when I was living overseas in Saudi, and just brings back fond memories. So I don't usually do dairy, conventional dairy, but sometimes just, because we're human, and I just saw this there and I picked it up. So I'm going to be topping it off with half a banana, walnuts for that crunch. And this breakfast will keep me full for quite a while. It's full of healthy fats, protein. I'm adding some hemp seeds, flax meal, again, healthy fats. And I just eyeball it, honestly. Some chia seeds. This will all keep me full and satiated throughout the morning. And of course, I love my chocolate, but I'm having cacao nibs. This is the actual cacao bean, and devoid of sugar. It's just so full of antioxidants and so great for your health, anti-inflammatory. And then I'll just drizzle some honey on top for that sweetness. And of course, you know that I always promote having raw local honey, local to your area. And that's it. This is what I'm going to be having for breakfast with my cup of black tea. I love the crunch of the cacao nibs and the walnuts. I just totally hit the spot. I'll see you at lunch. It's time for me to take my supplements. So what I do is I take my vitamin D, just need a drop in here, and this gives me an opportunity to have my water. It can be a little, it's easy to forget getting your fluids, your water in, but this gives me an opportunity, and I will refill this glass and keep sipping my water too. And I also take omega-3 capsules. I get my multivitamin in, and I get my probiotic in as well. Okay, it's time for lunch, and I am putting together my version of a burrito bowl. I love going to Chipotle's or any other Mexican restaurant. I tend to skip the burrito itself, and I'll just make a salad bowl for myself. So this is something that I put together as a video on Instagram. If you want, you can go check that out. So basically, I am just going to tear up the lettuce, and I like to start my bowls with a bed of leafy greens. Here I have romaine lettuce that I had in my fridge. To that I then layer on the salsa. I have the recipe for this salsa on my website, and I'll link it below for you to check out. Then I layer with beans. Today I have black beans and some sauteed onions and peppers that I had left over from the reel that I made yesterday for Instagram. Some avocado, leftover steak that Shariar had made for us over the weekend. And I'm adding some white rice here, since that is what I had on hand. But you can add brown rice or even cauliflower rice, which I actually prefer. I then like to top the salad off with some sour cream. You can do yogurt or dairy-free sour cream as well, which is what I'm using here. Drizzle some lime juice, cilantro, and hot sauce to end with, and voila. You can add corn and guacamole, but I like to keep things quick, and this bowl came together in under 10 minutes. So how do you like it?
So good. Really good.
Okay, I didn't pay him to say that. All right, so since it's summer, days are shorter, work days are shorter, and the kids, we just thought we'd take them out to the bookstore and maybe get some snacks. I haven't had anything since lunch, so hopefully we can find something healthy and wholesome. So we got back home and I'm in the kitchen fixing us some breakfast for dinner. Today is all about leftovers and I just love that. I'm whipping up a ground beef or keema that I had left over with scrambled eggs. This is something we all enjoy. The kids and Ali will have theirs with whole wheat tortilla and I'm just going to have mine as is. The sorbet really filled me up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know in the comments below what my next video should be. What other content would you like to see from me? Alright, you guys take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.